Hi everybody, on this episode I will explain why Swiss chocolates are so delicious, what is their secrets about chocolate production in Switzerland, and also share top 10 Swiss chocolate brands. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and open notifications to be informed about new travel videos from all around the world. The Swiss are well known for their high quality standards. This high quality is of course extended to their most famous export chocolate. But how did this delicious treat, with origins stemming from ancient Aztec tribes, gain such high notoriety across the world as a truly Swiss product? While chocolate production began across Europe in the 17th century, the origins of that we know to be Swiss chocolate can most likely be traced back to François-Louis Cailler. Mr. Cailler began his chocolatey journey in Turin, Italy, learning the secrets of chocolate making. He gathered this vital information over 4 years of study before finally returning to Switzerland to open the first merchandise chocolate production factory in 1819. Cailler eventually opened a second factory in 1825, which he sold to his son and his son-in-law Daniel Peter, another important name in the history of Swiss chocolate. Peter would go on to develop the world's first milk chocolate bar by adding condensed milk to the recipe, paving the way for Switzerland's thriving chocolate industry of today. The invention of milk chocolate combined with centuries of expertise and a reputation for high quality standards are arguably some of the biggest reasons Swiss chocolate remains so famous to this day. In order to legally call chocolate Swiss, it must be produced in Switzerland. However, the cocoa beans are most often sourced from Africa and South America, along with cocoa beans for most other chocolate companies. So, the real difference between Swiss chocolate and chocolate produced in other countries across the world lies in the process and other ingredients such as milk. Switzerland is arguably best known for its milk chocolate, with milk chocolate making up 80% of all chocolate consumed in Switzerland, and for good reason. Swiss chocolate contains more milk than most chocolate, offering a distinctly smooth and creamy flavor and texture you won't find elsewhere. It also tends to contain a lower cocoa content and higher levels of sugar, allowing for a luxury melt-on-the-tongue experience. Switzerland is the country that is responsible for the most amount of chocolate consumed per capita. Even though there are certain centuries across the globe that consume more total chocolate than Switzerland, Switzerland consumes the most chocolate per person. In Switzerland, the average person consumes approximately 8.8 kg of chocolate every year, which is approximately 22 lb. Switzerland has developed a powerful reputation across the world for its exceptional chocolate industry. For example, Toblerone, which is a Swiss company, is one of the most recognizable chocolate companies in the world. Given the long lineage of popular chocolate companies in Switzerland, it should come as no surprise that Switzerland consumes a tremendous amount of chocolate. Switzerland has hands down some of the world's best chocolate. Swiss chocolate is usually high-quality milk chocolate with a silky, smooth texture. Many people credit the delicious taste of Swiss chocolate to the high-quality milk they use from local alpine cows. Switzerland's most popular brand globally is Lindt chocolate, whose origins can be traced back to 1836. Though they are most popular for their truffles, Lindt also makes other sweet treats, from chocolate bars to chocolate sticks. While they do export a lot of it, most of the chocolate produced in Switzerland is actually consumed in Switzerland, about 54%. So apparently the only thing the Swiss like more than making chocolate is eating it. And now I want to share top 10 Swiss chocolate brands which is the popular in Switzerland or all around the world. All of the chocolate brands we will be discussing on this list. Swiss chocolate chalet is one of the newest as it was incorporated in 2004. Incorporated in 1887, Chocolat Frey is one of the most prestigious chocolate brands in Switzerland. Founded in 1962, Laderoche AG has gone on to become one of the largest Swiss chocolate retailers known for producing quality chocolate bars such as white chocolate, Frise Chogi, and candies. Confiserie Sprungli is a luxury Swiss chocolate brand established in 1836, which is internationally known for producing tasty chocolate and macarons using high-quality ingredients. One of the newest chocolate brands, Swiss One, means back to the roots of Swiss chocolate art. Swiss chocolate with lots of flavor due to more cocoa and less sugar from expertly roasted cocoa beans. Producing 100% natural chocolate bars, Max Chocolatier is a famous chocolate brand in Switzerland. Nestle needs no introduction, producing food items to customers around the world for over a century. Established in 1819, Cailler is the oldest Swiss chocolate brand which is acquired with Nestle in 1931 as a result of high-quality chocolate bars the brand was producing. Toblerone is greatly loved by chocolate lovers and is one of the most famous Swiss chocolate brands. Coming in on top of the list is Lindt. This Swiss chocolate brand is one of the Switzerland's oldest and most famous chocolate brands established in 1845. Today, the chocolate brand is not available worldwide and is recognized for its quality and variety. The brand, which now has 12 chocolate factories in several countries worldwide, contributes majorly to Switzerland's total annual revenue from exporting chocolate. The brand produces chocolate bars, but they also offer other products like confectionaries, truffles, ice cream, among other desserts. Lindt also has several cafes all around the major cities in Switzerland where tourists can buy and enjoy the all chocolate they want. If you like my Swiss chocolate video, I would like to see your likes, comments and subscription to my channel for the new travel videos from all around the world. See you!